Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the charging system. Okay, the first thing you have to take out the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, if you have nails, you can use your nails to open it right round. Okay, if you don't have nails, you can use the pen set. Use a clip. Make sure you open all the clip right round. Okay, take out the back cover. Put it one side. Now you need to take out all the screw back of the phone down here. So many screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. After I take out all the screw back of the phone, okay, from this side down there the charging systems are only. Then you open this cover, put it one side, disconnect the network cable, put it one side, and disconnect the connector here, put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove these two cable from the vibrating side. Take out the two cable from the vibrating. Use soldering iron. Remove it, and remove this one also. You have to know where the positive and negative. The positive are the first one, this negative this other side. Okay, you remove it exactly and fix it back the same way. Take out the charging system. Okay, and remove this rubber for water protection. Then put back the rubber on the new one here. Okay, then you put back the charging system, the new one. Okay, fix back this connector, very nice. Fix back the network connector. Make sure it is very nice so the phone network will become very strong. Okay, then fix back this cable you take out. Don't just fix them exactly how you take them out. This one is the vibrating. Okay, put back the back cover. Replace all the screw you take out back of the phone there, down there. Make sure you replace all the screw. Okay, after you replace all the screw, okay, now you fix back the back cover. Close it right down. Put back the SIM tray. Okay, then you put the phone on charge to test the charging system, see that it's working or not. On the charging system, as you can see the logo already show, charging system already show. That means the charging system is working perfectly. You can see the logo showing perfectly. Okay, now the battery already start charging, have 1%. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.